Well, the kids are sick again, so I'm gonna diffuse some oils for them. Whenever they have a fever or cold, I add a few drops of different oils to the water. Right now I have it filled up to the max level, 500 milliliters. I add a drop of lemon essential oil, frankincense, lemon oil, try not to drop them, peppermint oil, and a drop of tea tree oil. I've been using this blend for quite a few weeks, and it's really helping with your colds. And this lid's back on. I like the light. And then I push the mist button for however long I want it. You can see where it's blinking at the 60. I usually go for the 180 and let it run for a while. I don't do the on because then I forget to turn it off, but it doesn't matter, it shuts itself off. And that's all I do when my kids are sick. I run it for a while and they enjoy watching the colors from the diffuser, and it's calming.